How to scan QR code on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open camera application on your Android device. Now in the photo section, look for a small Google Lens icon usually near the screen or bottom options. Now you can easily tap on icon and now point your camera at the QR code. You can even upload the QR code from the gallery icon at bottom left, and the link or information from the QR code will appear automatically on your screen. You can simply tap the link to open it in your web browser. Method 2, you can use the Google Lens application. If your camera doesn't have the Google Lens feature, you can easily download and install Google Lens application from the Play Store. You can even open Google first of all and now tap on the lens icon on your search bar. And from the search bar, you can easily point it at the QR code just like before, and the informations or link will appear on the screen and you can easily tap it to open in your browser. And that's it. With these two methods, you can easily scan QR codes on any Android device. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.